आईस स्टॉर्म पडलाय आता. हा स्नो काल पडून गेला. आणि हा सगळा इथे आईस पडतोय. हे बाल्कनी मधून दिसतंय वर बर्फ. हा सगळा झाडांवर पडलाय. काहीतरी आईस पडतंय.
Again, the latest update, 90,000 Puget Sound Energy customers are now without power. They had really whittled that number down after the snow yesterday, but then the ice changed all of that. And of course, they have some 300 different locations, at least, that have reported issues with lines, etc. So again, Andy, we appreciate you keeping us updated on that.
I want to bring in Rob Harper with the Washington Emergency Management Agency, joins us live on the phone. Rob has just briefed the governor on what's going on. Rob, good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
We're doing great. Give us a snapshot of what you told the governor today.
Well, we basically reported about the impacts of the ice storm that's occurring in central Puget Sound. Power outages are increasing, and